morning, everybody. This is Michael.
And I'm Dione.
And welcome to MS FITZ'S Adventures. Today we have a little problem. We were supposed to go off to Joshua Tree to go into storage, get some Christmas stuff out, and to put all our stuff in there that we don't need for the summertime. And, well, we can't do that because the truck, the check engine light came on the other day. And with that, at the same time, besides the check engine light, there was a thing that says traction control off. So traction control is a safety feature that has to be on the car, obviously. You can turn it off on this model though, but it wasn't running very good. So now we're gonna have to go down, well, right now instead of taking it to Toyota, because Toyota wants a lot of money just to check it, even though I have 2 different warranties on it. Yeah, so we're gonna take it to OReillys and have them put it on the computer and tell me what's wrong with it, what sensor's out or what's going on. It could be the gas cap, meaning that the gas cap isn't sealing properly, and at 30,000 miles you're supposed to change the O-ring on it. We haven't done that yet, so it could be that, but we're not really sure what it is. So if we go to OReillys, they'll tell us exactly what it is with the computer. I don't know if I want to reset it. We can reset it by taking the negative terminal off the battery, and when we do that, it would reset the computer, but then it's still going to find the problem, and it's still going to tell us that there's a problem in it. So right now, running wise, it doesn't run all that good, but I turned off the traction control, which I'll show you in just a second how to do that. Yeah, so we're going to go down and I'll show you what it's doing. Okay, let me get the key in here. All right, so I'll sit in it. Be easier. Okay, hold on a second. So the engine is off right now, right? I'm gonna turn it on. Before I do that though, there's these buttons up here. Well, you can't see it, it goes pretty quick. It says off, traction, anti-LSD, which is load slip differential. Okay, and all that comes up. There is the check engine light. It is on now because we're just into the start position. All right, let me go ahead and turn it over. And as I turn it over, you can see the check engine light remains on. Now it's going to tell me up here that I need to change my oil. What's going on? Oh, there it goes. Traction control off. That's going to flash. Maintenance required, which I need an oil change, which we were going to do today before we went to Joshua Tree, which we're going to do anyways. So now that's off. Now I can push the button down here, that little button right there, that's the traction control. Now I always thought there's 3 positions to it. If I hit it once, it's supposed to put it in LSD, or load slip differential, but it doesn't do that right now. So if I hold it for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, a little light comes up at the top, and that little light at the top says that the traction control is off, which this is telling me it's off anyway, see? So something's wrong. We don't know why that light's on and this light is on. And I found out by looking at Google and looking at YouTube, thank you YouTube, that you can actually, there's 3 positions. Now the 3rd position, I don't remember what it said, if it was 1 little short push or holding it down for a couple more seconds again, but it seems to just turn that off and the load slip doesn't come up. Of course the door is open and I don't have my seatbelt on right now because I'm just sitting here, but the check engine light's on. So Dione and I, we are going to go to OReillys in Parker, and hopefully we're going to figure out what this is before we do take it to Toyota, because I do have 2 different warranties. Right now we have, as you can see, I'll flip this right here, I have 35,000 miles on it, almost 36. It's not 36 yet, but we have a 36,000 mile or 3-year warranty. This was bought in 2016. It's 2019 still, so we're still under that. Plus we pay a bunch of money for a extended warranty. Now, when I called up the Anderson Toyota here in Havasu, they told me it was going to be $147, $157 for them just to put it on the machine. Now, if it's a part that went out, then they're going to pay for it. But labor might not be included, which is kind of much bullcrap, because I know that we're paying extra money for the extended warranty, and this warranty even hasn't been out, so everything should be under warranty. Correct? We'll see. All right, guys. So we're going to go out to Parker. She's going to get in the vehicle. All right. And yeah, we'll see you there. We'll find out what's going on. Welcome to Saturday, my first day off out of 3. You coming?
I'm coming.
All right. All right, guys. We'll be right back. We're going down into Parker.
Short legs.
Yeah, I know you got short legs. All right, guys. We'll see you in a minute. So we're kind of parked in a bad spot. We're just right up the hill. But right when we came up the hill, look who's out there. Hi, guys. Little young ones. Hi, guys. What's up? I know your buddy's across the street. We'll leave. Wait there. He's coming. All right, guys. See you later. Yeah, his buddy's across the street over here looking for us. Oops, I got to reverse going down a hill. That's not good. Okay. All right, buddy. What's up, guy? How are you? Hit the camera, sorry about that. Are you all right? I know we got you between everybody. It's okay. It's all right. I'm just taking your picture. You been doing all right, staying warm? It's 59 degrees out. All right, stay in the sun. See you later. Have fun today. See you up on the golf course. Bye. Okay. Those were our golf course ones. They come all the way down here. They come up over the mountain, and they got must have a path or something, and then they come down here. Yeah, this is the exit from Black Meadow Landing. You see we've got cacti over there, right there by the powered pole. We got one way at the top of the hill over there, which you probably can't see. So yeah, got some flowers too. Isn't that pretty? Yellow flowers. Okay, well, we're on our way to Parker. Come along. Hey everybody, we're back, and we just went to O'Reilly's. I got an oil change kit, so that means I got 5 quarts of oil in one container and 3 more quarts. Yeah, so that cost us a pretty penny, because each one of the quarts were $10, and plus, well, we were not in California, so it didn't cost us anything for oil recovery and all that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's good. But it did cost us, let's see, $90. So we bought the oil change, and we bought a wiper blade, and that's all we bought. Yeah, $90. So we got the wiper blade on her side. I didn't put one on my side. I'm going to do that next week. Ran out of pennies, but we'll fill those pennies back up again. The place we went to is way over there. It's called J&M. It's a tire place. Really nice folks over there. They actually have a car wash there too. Wash and wax your truck for $30. I think that's where we're gonna go to get our truck waxed when we have to do that. You can hear in the background they're changing tires now. It is a Saturday, and a lot of places aren't open on Saturday, so this is a really cool place. The guy was excellent. We brought our oil in and the filter, and he charged us $25. I gave him an extra $5 because he was a nice guy. Of Dion's money. Thank you, Dion. It wasn't my money to give, so I just gave it to him because, hey, that's just a nice thing to do, right?
Yeah.
It is your money. I'll get some money for you.
I know.
I know. All right, so we're gonna head off because we're in town. We have to do some shopping, and then we're gonna go back home. I'm thinking, well, let me tell you real quick. When we went to O'Reilly's and they did the code for us, I forgot to tell you about that.
Yeah.
They said it was a knock sensor. and they gave me the number on the knock sensor, which I have on my phone. I took a picture of it, but it is not shifting from 4th to 5th or 6th gear, so it's staying in 4th gear. So it has something to do with the drivetrain and the transmission, and I don't think a knock sensor. But if a knock sensor's out, that's $179 just at O'Reilly's to put on it, if that's the case. If the Toyota place says, well, that knock sensor, that's just something that you're gonna have to pay for. So that's gonna be expensive. It seems to be starting, it seems to be running okay. When I turn off the traction control, like I said, the traction control actually gives us more boost, but we're still in 4th gear. So I really do think it's a drivetrain problem, and I think that we've had this drivetrain problem since we bought the truck, and it's got a tow package on it, or a half-ass tow package on it. So you can tow, and we're not towing too much. So I think that this transmission is kind of pooped.
Yeah.
Either that or it needs to be changed, the transmission fluid. It is a sealed system now in most of the Toyotas and stuff.
You're not supposed to have to worry about that till 100,000 miles.
Well, supposedly, so maybe they need to fix that too while they're at it. So all right, guys, we're gonna go to Walmart and do some shopping, and if there's anything interesting on the way back, we'll show you that. If not, we'll see you at home. Well, as you can see, we just did shopping. We just got our staples, the ramen, that stuff, got the beer, got the wine, got hot dogs and veggies, lots of veggies, got potatoes, got chicken, got hamburgers, also got some what do you call it, some ham for tonight's dinner, because I made white bean soup with ham in it, but didn't have enough ham in it, so got that. So yeah, this is the Safeway store in Parker, and we saved $38 by going around scanning stuff in the store. pretty fun. I like that. All right, we're gonna go on home. I gotta go stop off at the Running Man fuel store over there and get some fuel, about 30 bucks worth, and then we'll go back up to Shelter Cove. Hopefully Shelter Cove. Hey, wow, Black Meadow Landing. I have Shelter Cove shirt on, that's why. See, I have that jacket on. Dumb me. I need to run into the tobacco shop for her so she can get some rolling paper things for her cigarettes. Right? Right. All right, guys. Be right back.
Oh.
So we're on our way back home.
Hello. This is a no-no.
This is a no-no, but they're so cute. We're not feeding them. He just wants to be petted.
They're looking for food. People have been feeding them.
Yeah, well, we're not feeding them. All right, guys. We got to go now. We'll see you later, okay? You guys be good. They look so cute.
I know.
Bye, guys. Yeah, it's nice living here. When you drive down the road, you got to stop for donkeys going across the road. So it's a beautiful day. It's 70 degrees out, so that's why they're out. Plus, it was raining the last few days, and they have gotten some good watering, and they're now looking for some green food to eat, which they probably will find. So we're on our way home. Check this out. Well, we're home, and yeah, we went shopping like we said. You saw the
Cart full of groceries.
yeah, cart full of groceries and the burros on the way home. But we are home. It's a lot windy today up here, up on top. See everything blowing. So I think we're going to wrap this up. We're going to have some soup for dinner because it's gotten a little bit chilly now that the sun's going down. It's about 62 degrees. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to probably not get a video out this week because I got to go all the way to Havasu and sit at the Toyota place early in the morning. I might try to upload one while I'm there. We'll see what happens. I'll take my laptop. But maybe not. So we just want you all to have a happy Thanksgiving. And please
Like, share, and subscribe.
there you go. And yeah, come and see us again on MS FITZ'S Adventures. But have a really good Thanksgiving. We're going to have to work this year, so we're not going to really have one, but we'll have a good Christmas. Coming up, we're going to be taking a lot of videos of all the people putting up their Christmas tree lights after Thanksgiving. We were supposed to go today, like I said, to Joshua Tree, but we never did. So because of the truck, so we've got lights there and a Christmas tree, so we're going to have to get that sometime before before Christmas, way before Christmas, hopefully.
Yeah.
And if not, we'll put up some lights. I've got some lights coming from Amazon, and we'll put those up around the camper. So anyways, guys, please write us at msfitz'sadventures@gmail.com, or you can write below and say hello to us. We'd love to hear from you, and we will write you back and talk to you. But please come back and see us again on MS FITZ'S Adventures. Okay, guys? See you till next time. Bye.
Bye.
Have a good one.